Hi, I am Sendil Kannan from Adhisakthi Projects Private Limited. We are an industrial machinery manufacturing company ranging from processing equipments, packaging machinery to automation solutions. We are the only company in the country to provide all under one roof turnkey solution. With us, the customer benefits to convert their dreams to design and reality. We provide complete solutions adapting the most modern technologies to benefit customers to automate their full process. What is the benefit of automation? It is not only to minimize the manpower requirement for a process or packaging needs. It enhances the quality of the product by giving precise formulation accuracy to the customers. It enhances quality in a much better manner. It increases profitability. This is a big benefit which customers enjoy by automation. Now our idea is to provide a series of videos about our products, its uses, and the benefits which is going to give it to the customers. This is going to create a win-win relationship between us and the customers. Thank you very much.